This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the LinkedIn app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the LinkedIn app. As you can see, I am currently on dark mode, but to enable or disable dark mode, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Now on this page, you want to tap on the very top thing, Account Preferences. And then right in here is Display. As you can see, I am currently in dark mode, but if you tap on it, you have three different choices. You could use your device's settings, whatever your device is set to. You could toggle on dark mode, as you see mine's toggled on, or you could toggle on light mode. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the LinkedIn app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.